Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to say thank you in Islam. In Islam, showing thanks is very important. Here are some common phrases you can use. Jazakallahu khairan. Jazakallahu khairan. Jazakallahu khairan. Jazakallahu khairan. Jazakallahu khairan. May Allah reward you with good. May Allah reward you with good. Jazakallahu khairan. Or you can say Barakallahu feek. Barakallahu feek. Barakallahu feek. Barakallahu feek. Barakallahu feek. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. Barakallahu feek means may Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. Or you can just say shukran. Shukran means thank you. Shukran, thank you. Shukran, thank you. Shukran means thank you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more content. Jazakallahu khairan.